Koazy Al-Macarona, Macaroni Koazy. A main dish from Saudi Arabia. Serves You will need 15 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the chicken into 4 pieces. Wash thoroughly. Step 2. Heat oil in pan, add chicken and fry for 5 minutes. Step 3. Puree tomatoes and add yogurt plus half the spices. Pour the above mixture over chicken and leave to cook. Step 4. Put in another saucepan the minced meat, onion and half teaspoon each of salt, pepper and cumin. Stir and cook. Place aside. Step 5. Peel potatoes. Slice thinly in rings, then lengthwise in matchstick-sized pieces. Soak potatoes in water. Strain. Heat oil and fry potatoes until browned. Step Remove 6. From oil and place on paper towel. Peel and slice eggs. Break spaghetti into medium-sized pieces and cook in water. Strain. Step 7. Put spaghetti in serving dish, arrange chicken on top and pour on sauce. Decorate with meat, potatoes and sliced eggs. Sprinkle with parsley and serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.